thanks for looking at my bike check. Alright, let's get started. I got ODI blue grips, ODI bar ends, premium handlebars if you can't see, the light kind, and Golden Finger Dutch brake lever, DK stem, Odyssey 41 race forks, hollow, V2. Intense Podium race frame, Pro. You can see I'm number 2 in district. SPD Shimano pedals, Sins bottom bracket, Hollow Pin KMC chain, MCS sprocket, just standard crank bolts, Sins expert cranks, and to my rims, which missed something. Standard brakes, full stock. Just standard brake cable. I ride the Maxxis GTH in the back forward, and I have the entire power block. What I'm riding right now is an Odyssey Vendero 2 with Sunrunner light rims. You probably can't see the rim tape, but that would be Denscomp rim tape. Back to the back wheel, I got Odyssey Trail Mix race and Rhino-Lite sun rim with standard spokes, and Denscomp rim tape. Right here, it's just an FMF seat post cut in. It's from Italian. It's Italian, so. And then I got the baby right here, the best seat you could probably buy. Shadow Conspiracy Seth Kimbrough seat. Alright, and that's it for my, wait, I forgot something. Sins headset. Alright, that's it for my bike check.